I do anything for Selena. I do anything. I do anything.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I haven't posted in like a minute, but I'm finally back, you guys, and today I'm just gonna do a little vlog. We're going to a car meet tonight. I'm with my boyfriend and we're gonna go pick up my cousin right now. We're putting gas right now. I'm like spiced out because I just had these hot Cheetos, but anyways, I'm sorry I haven't posted in like forever. It's because I like just been busy and I got in a relationship and I'm working, so yeah, but I'm gonna try to post more, you guys, and I hope you guys like this vlog. So alright guys, well that was the end of the vlog. I hope you guys liked it.
Thank you.
We're at McDonald's now, we're being fat asses. But that's because I didn't eat dinner. I got my cousin and my boyfriend. I'm tired. My eyelashes are low-key falling off. But yeah, I hope you guys liked the vlog. I'll see you guys later. Bye.